I'm traveling to Kenya and I need the visa. I'll be traveling to Kenya from Kazakhstan in about a month, and since I am not from a visa-exempt country, I need to apply for it. I will possibly visit nearby countries such as Uganda, Rwanda, or Tanzania, and as such I want to keep things flexible. So I'll be traveling with a one-way ticket and will play it by ear once I am in Nairobi. To enter Kenya, you need Electronic Travel Authorization, or ETA for short. It is basically a Kenyan visa. Now let's see how you can apply for a Kenyan ETA with a one-way ticket. What do you need to apply? First is passport valid for at least 6 months at the time of arrival to Kenya, with at least 2 blank pages. It can be either in PDF or JPEG format. Second is selfie or passport style photo in JPEG format only. Third is hotel booking. You don't need to provide hotel booking for the whole duration of your stay. I provided only one booking for the first 9 days of my stay. I saw online that people use a hotel booking for the first night only to get the visa. From the hotel booking, you'll need a phone number and email address. Then your ticket to Kenya, and finally payment. In my case it was 34.05 US dollars, but I think some small variations are possible. Alright, let's start filling out the application form. First, go to this website and click on Apply Now. Click on Tourists and Visitors. You wouldn't be listening to this video otherwise. Then you click Continue. On this screen you can check if you are exempt from applying for ETA. I believe it is possible to enter Kenya if you already have in your passport an East Africa tourist visa issued by Uganda or Rwanda. But don't take my word for it, double check this. If you know more about East Africa tourist visa, then leave a comment below. Check first box and click Continue. Select individual application here and click Continue. Since I am traveling solo, I never explored group application option. If you know more about this, then leave a comment below. Search for your country of residence where you live and pay taxes, exactly as it says here. For me, it is Kazakhstan. Next, you upload your passport. If the scan is of good quality, then the system will fill out the necessary fields automatically. Next, tick this box and click Continue. Then you need to upload your photo. Put your data here and click Continue. Next, put your arrival information. I was actually impressed to see them have such detailed information about inbound flights. Departure. This is the key part. Select by length and you won't have to upload your return ticket. Seems pretty obvious now, but when I was first applying for the visa, it said everywhere that you need a return ticket. Put details of your hotel. When I was applying, I only had a hotel reservation for the first 9 nights. Online I saw people applying for the visa with a hotel reservation for the first night only. Fill out this part and here. Upload your accommodation reservation and flight ticket. Click Continue here. And finally you are on the payment page. When I was applying, their system wasn't really working. I couldn't pay. My payment simply wouldn't go through even after I entered an OTP code. I had to try several cards until one of them worked. Once you pay, you'll get an email confirmation like this one. And then you should get your ETA. Mine was approved in 14 hours. And this was the full process of applying for a Kenyan visa. Good luck on your visa application and stay tuned for more content.